If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Oh my god, following good too. Wow. Oh, up next is the Wendy one. Hold up. So, welcome back, Will Man. Woo! Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Heart on the window, that's the heart. Okay, Wendy. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Oh my god. Well, shit. You caught me during my little first listen of Jin and Wendy's song, Heart on the Window. First, speaking about hearts, thank you. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the raid, Jessica. Get back to this, shall we? Let's get back to this. All right, Wendy and Jin. It was Wendy's part coming up. Thank you for the raid, by the way. Appreciate y'all. If you guys follow, appreciate you. It's called Heart on the Window. It's cute. I love Wendy's voice, I'm not gonna lie. Woo. Hey. Hey. Oh, well, both their voices too? Wendy's my favorite. I love that. We stand Wendy in this chat. Hey, let me know what you guys think. I like the flow of the song. The way she's like singing the lyrics too. Ooh, Jin with the vocals. Ooh. Oh. This is cute. I think this might be my favorite one. Ooh, okay, okay, harmonize. Ooh, oh, with drums kick in. On the window. Ooh. Okay, okay, this might be my favorite song in the album. Hands down. That's it. That's it. This might be like, there's some good songs in the album, but this one right here, I need to see them perform together. Yeah, they need to perform it together. I need to see that. This is fire. This is fire. Why does like, it reminds me of like some Octung musician vibes too. Not, it doesn't sound like it, or like, I'm not comparing it, but that's what it reminds me of. Like, wow, that's fire. I need to see them live, like done it. They need to perform it live. I don't care. I need to see it too, whether it be video or in front of me. Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.